Imagine earning thousands of dollars from YouTube while doing what you love. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this is 100% possible? Whether you want to make money by sharing your passion, teaching a skill, or running a faceless automation channel, this course will guide you from zero to YouTube success, even if you have no experience. In this course, you'll learn how to create a YouTube channel from scratch, choosing a profitable niche that actually makes money, SEO strategies to rank your videos higher, monetization methods beyond AdSense, how to create viral content using AI tools, advanced growth strategies to scale your income. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment or a big budget. You can start today with just your phone or laptop. So, let's dive into the first section. Section 1. Understanding YouTube's earning potential. How much can you earn from YouTube? YouTube is a multi-billion-dollar platform, but how much can you actually earn? Let's break it down. Ad revenue, AdSense. Creators earn between $3 to $15 per 1,000 views, depending on niche. Sponsorships and brand deals. Some creators charge $500 to $50,000 per brand deal. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products, best for finance and tech channels. Selling digital products, courses, ebooks, templates, and more. Memberships and super chats. Fans pay you directly for exclusive content. Example, Graham Stephan, a finance YouTuber, makes over $100,000 per month from AdSense alone. Which monetization method do you think is the most profitable? Comment below. Section 2. Finding a profitable niche. The secret to choosing a money-making niche. The key to a successful YouTube channel is picking a high-demand, low-competition niche. Evergreen niches, always in demand. Personal finance and investing. Health and fitness. Tech and gadgets. Self-improvement. AI and automation. Faceless channel niches. No need to show your face. Motivational videos. Luxury lifestyle. Stock market news. DIY and crafts. Which niche interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. Section 3. Setting up your YouTube channel the right way. Creating and optimizing your YouTube channel. Step 1. Creating a YouTube account. Go to youtube.com and sign in with Google. Click Create Channel and choose your name/brand. Step 2. Optimizing your channel for growth. Profile picture and banner. Use a clear, high-quality logo. Channel description. Clearly explain what your channel is about. Keywords and SEO. Use relevant keywords to help people find your channel. What name would you choose for your YouTube channel? Comment below. Section 4. Creating viral video content. The anatomy of a viral video. Every viral video has 3 key elements. A strong hook grabs attention in the first 5 seconds. High engagement, fast cuts, exciting visuals. A call to action encourages viewers to like, comment, subscribe. Viral video formula. Hook. This AI tool can make you $10,000 per month. Storytelling. Show how it works. Call to action. Subscribe for more money-making tips. What's your favorite viral video? Share the link in the comments. Section 5. YouTube SEO and ranking your videos. The secret to getting more views. SEO strategies to rank higher. Keyword research. Use TubeBuddy and vidIQ to find trending topics. Video titles. Use powerful words that create curiosity. Tags and hashtags. Use 15 to 20 tags that describe your video. Thumbnails. Design clickbait-style thumbnails with bold text and emotions. Have you ever clicked on a video just because of its thumbnail? Tell me why. Section 6. Monetizing your YouTube channel. How to get monetized fast. Reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. Enable AdSense. Start earning money from ads. Affiliate links. Earn commissions from Amazon, ClickBank, etc. Sell digital products. Create a course, ebook, or paid community. Which monetization method do you think works best? Your YouTube journey starts today. Action plan. Choose a niche and create your channel. Upload videos consistently and optimize for SEO. Use multiple monetization streams. Keep improving and scaling your income. Which part of YouTube creation do you struggle with the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this course helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more expert YouTube strategies.